This is good. Welcome back, everybody. John Boat Tournament, May 24th. Time to catch a bag. I'm gonna come up with you with my stupid urchin. You seen him already? Where was that other one that came up to you? Is that him? Ooh, I'm gonna reel it. I saw that bite, dude. Cat? You sure?
Yeah, look at it right here.
Oh yeah, it sure is. You want a net? Hey, catfish to start the day. That's good luck. 6:26. We get to fish till 4 o'clock today. Water temp 66 degrees. Ooh. It is. I see him. I see him.
They're here.
2.5 pounder. Did he really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. First fish of the day.
It's clear, I think.
2.5, 2 3/4. It's a start, baby. Yeah. Switch.
Yeah, another 2.
Yeah. Probably about the same size, right?
Yeah.
We got an A-rig fish. We got a minnow fish. I was really expecting it to be a little dirtier. Right when we pulled up and started looking around a little bit, we noticed that there was a lot of really big bait. I was gonna downsize, but I feel like this slightly larger freeloader might actually help get a couple bites today. You're good. I can probably flip them. Hey! Good catch. Guess I couldn't flip them. Little one, number 3 on the minnow. 178. There's definitely a lot of fish out on some of the deeper trees, but they didn't seem to want to play yet. Number 3, going over. Yeah, there's like a good amount of bait, and then there's some fish in the mix too. Like these right here in this bait ball coming over. Looked pretty decent. Yep.
Coming?
Oh, baby, come on. Oh, stop jumping. There was like a few of them. Oh my god. Amazing. Look healthy. 6. Look out. 5.5. Yeah, he is. That baby, let's go. Look off that front. They were in that bait. Remember, I was like, there's some good looking marks in this bait. As soon as I got the minnow over it, they just came straight up. That's what we needed. How deep is that, Ace? Like 8 foot? Really solid fish. Five and a half. Number 4. Everybody's looking good. That's a good fish. Or is that just like a weird interference deal? He came up off the bottom. Oh, that one's coming now. Yep. Small. He'll keep though. Small keeper. Got a crawfish in his gullet.
Is it really?
I can see the antennas popping out. So 147. All right, we got 14 pounds for 5. lot of little ones. But I'm always glad to be getting bit. One away from a limit. Probably 8 o'clock. Got a really good fish. But we're gonna need a few more of those, I think.
You're moving quick, so it looked like it was
Just
up
flashed. Is that it? Hold on, we'll find it. It's probably right. Yeah. Let's see if we get any. Oh yeah, yeah. You landed right on her. Got her.
Good one?
Oh. Oh yeah, absolutely. 3-pounder. Solid. Nice. Good eye. All right, that's a limit. 909. Shallow main lake points. 10 foot of water. Yeah, yeah. Number 6. Now we got some culling to do because there's some smalls in there. 335?
Yeah.
Dang.
1730.
Bigger than I thought. All right, 1730 for 6 fish.
We've got a 178 and a 147.
Perfect. And the 4 big ones, but I was like, if I want to win, I got to get one more bite on this thing. I should have just spent like an hour throwing like a drop shot or a shaky head again. Yeah, he's tiny. Texas rig. Little guy. Nice. Good one. Yep. Take your time. Oh, that'll help for sure.
No. Look at how it had it through that. I even gave him the business.
Got 1812 right now. Really solid morning bite, and it kind of slowed up on us a little bit. The area that caught that big one, there's still a lot of big fish there. They're just really not biting, so we're going to jump around for a couple hours and hit it at least one more time, see if it's a timing deal. Everything pretty much 10 feet or less. Stumps, small brush piles, points, a couple roamers, and a lot sitting on isolated bait too, or feeding on isolated bait. What did that put us at? 20? Sick. Ace's 4-pounder got us up to a little over 20. I think. With a 170. Just catch another 5, we'll be looking good. Got an hour and 20 minutes. Like on the deeper piece. Gotcha. Yeah, little. This one might weigh more than the other one. He's fat.
Come on.
That looks good. Perfect. Yep. Good one? Oh, yeah. Keep him pinned, baby. Knock him out. Let's go. Did he throw it? Right where he was supposed to be. That'll give us a quarter. Yeah. What do we got to beat? 170? I don't know, man. I don't think so. Maybe. I don't think so. I'm gonna say 182. 171. I'm striking.
$21.16. 16.
What'd you have?
22. Well, Ace and I finished up with 21.17 pounds, and we ended up in 5th place. The winning bag was 26, and then there was 2 other 23-pound bags, and 4th place was another 21-pound bag, just a little bit more than us. And just never ran across that last big fish that would have got us over the hump to get us into the top 3. But it was a fun day. Always a good time getting out on the John boat with Ace. We caught him on an A-rig, jig head minnow, and a Nico rig, and basically just fished shallow or that mid-depth all day. Found a ton of fish and bait in the 8 to 10 foot range. Main Lake points seemed to be where we were catching most of our fish. We fished into some creeks and pockets, but just didn't have much luck back in there. And basically fished Main Lake points looking for stumps and small brush piles and any bait balls that we could find with fish hanging around. We might have caught a couple roamers as well, but for the most part everything was congregating near cover. We definitely had a few stretches throughout the day that we were not catching them, but I'm glad we were able to put a solid bag together, and hopefully next week we'll be able to catch a few more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click that subscribe button for me. We'll see you on the next one.